One little detail that they don't want you to know about cryptocurrency is, well, institutions are loading the boat right now. You see, it's very interesting. The story surrounding all of the mainstream media right now, all of the one side of the political spectrum, is saying that tariffs are going to destroy the world. President Trump's idea of these reciprocal tariffs are going to cause economic fallout. We're all going to end up in a depression. We're all going to end up broke. We're all going to end up fighting one another because prices on the middle class are bound to rise. All right. I don't care what your guys' opinions are on tariffs. I want to look at the numbers real quick because they're trying to scare us, right? Look, every time that the world has ended, every time that economic fallout was going to occur, how many times throughout history do you think that's happened, and where are we today? Is the world at its poorest? The world is at its richest. We have never been wealthier as an earth than we are right now, and I believe that it will continue to go that way. I believe that we will continue to grow, and the institutions know that as well. We're going to be talking about it in this video. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, I want to say, and I'm going to make this very brief, right? Your political opinions aside, let's look at the numbers right now. Retail investors are cashing out at the bottom. They are as fearful as can be. 24 extreme fear plaguing the market because they're telling you to be afraid of a one man's political decision to ruin the earth, right? Well, the crypto market is drowning in liquidations from these retail investors in the last 24 hours, with nearly 200,000 traders wiped out. $567 million gone in a flash. Bitcoin ETFs, of all things, were quietly stacking up more Bitcoin. Guys, the institutions are buying. The same institutions that are telling you to sell are buying right now. So you want to know what I'm doing? I am buying. I'm not falling victim to this idea of economic destruction. I understand what they want. They want my assets. It is that simple. You know, the good old days, the government just came straight out and told you, we're confiscating your Bitcoin. We're confiscating your gold. We're confiscating your precious metals and moving you over to a paper currency worth nothing and backed by nothing. Now, it's propaganda. They lie to you. They deceive you. And they make you fearful. While they go out and accumulate what you are freely selling to save you and your family. Guys, I'm not falling victim to it. I am buying. I'm buying Bitcoin, I am buying XRP, I am buying Shiba Inu coin, I am buying meme coins, I'm buying Solana, Ethereum, go on down the list. I'm loading up on everything that I can. I'm doing so in a diversified way. And I am adding Dawgz AI to my portfolio. Look, I don't know if Dawgz AI is going to go to $1. I don't know if it's going to go to 50 cents. I don't know where it's going to end up. But what I do know is this industry is set for a massive rebound when people finally realize that all of this fear is being propagated. Now, if you're interested in buying, we'll talk a little bit more about it in a second here, what it is. All you got to do is click that link in the description below. It's going to pull up this website, and then I like to use Wallet Connect. I connect to the website using the Best Wallet app on my phone. If you don't have that, it's very easy. You got to go out there, click that link in the description to download it. It's a free download available on iPhone and Android or Google Play, whatever you want to call it. And it's, you know, in top competition with things like MetaMask and Trust Wallet and so on. So a heavily recommended wallet right here, giving you access to the blockchain, and it's free to use and extremely secure. From there, you simply type in how much you want to grab. If you're looking at 100 USDT worth, you're walking away with 25,000 Dawgz AI tokens. Now, Dawgz AI is a little bit more of a high-risk, high-reward play because it is an ICO. It's risky because there's no price action to go off. It's got no historical data, but it's extremely high reward because it's going to be coming out at a time when everybody's fear is ending. It's going to be launching at a time when people are once again buying crypto. And when that confidence is returning and restored in the overall market, people's confidence will turn to greed. That greed will turn to buying anything and everything that they can get their hands on. And when that happens, prices explode. I'm not going to fall victim, guys, to the 200,000 traders that have been wiped out and liquidated. I'm not going to fall victim to the extreme fear being torn and sown into the lives of retail investors on a daily basis right now because one side hates the other political spectrum. What am I doing? I'm doing what the institutions are doing. I'm loading up. I'm not falling victim to the emotion. And one of the tokens that I am buying is Dawgz AI. I want to know what you guys are buying. Let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.